Social media, people are following us and giving free training, sabihin ng free taste yan, whatever you wanna call it, but that is social proof. All my programs, recorded, my summaries, it's gonna help you kasi may mga tidbits ako of wisdom na ibibigay, pero usually more of you seeing how we do things. Because the problem with going into training is that you will never know the quality until you go and attend it. Yes? Ito yung sinusolve ko dyan. If kami pipiliin nyo, ito garantisado ito. So I am now working on depositioning everyone else. Tingnan nyo, iba namin mga kaparehas na players. Hindi mo mapakita talaga kung ano yung ginagawa. Ano lang, muted, di ba, may music, ganun lang sila. I am now really shaking yung kanilang comfort zone. Now, am I uncomfortable with what I'm doing? Of course, pati ako niyalig ko yung sarili ko. Kasi dapat, panindigan ko na yan.